Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making one of my favorite tapas of all times. Today we're making datiles con tocino, or bacon-wrapped dates. The first thing we want to do is prepare all the ingredients. So we got some uncured Iberico bacon that we're going to cook with today. So we're going to start with open up the package. And when you look at this bacon, you can see how much intramuscular fat it has. It's just a beautiful piece of bacon. We have some pretty big slices here, so we need to cut them in half. Then we need some Medjool dates. You want to carefully slice through half of the date, and then we want to remove the pit. By doing that, we also create a nice little pocket for the cheese. And you want to use a good melting cheese for this. We're using La Tour, which is a mix of goat, sheep, and cow, and it will melt beautifully. We want to stuff the little pocket with as much cheese as we can, and then we want to wrap each date with the bacon. We also want to secure the bacon with a toothpick. Now we want to move these into a baking rack that sits in an oven-proof pan. Now we want to season one side with salt and pepper. We also want to season it with some pimenton, the smoky paprika from Spain. And that's really all the prep work you need to do. All the ingredients are now prepped, so it's time to throw them in the oven. We're gonna set our oven for convection bake 400 degrees. Then we wanna place the bacon-wrapped dates in the oven. Now we wanna cook these for about 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, we need to remove the rack from the oven. Then we wanna turn each date over so they cook more evenly. We're gonna place it back into the oven again and cook for another 7 minutes. It's been 7 minutes, and look at these beautiful bacon-wrapped dates. The whole kitchen smells amazing, but we still need these to rest a couple of minutes before we plate them. Then we're gonna place them on our serving tray, and as a last touch, we're gonna drizzle them with some thick sweet balsamic. We're using barrel-aged dark from Olivelli. Then these crispy and juicy bacon-wrapped dates are ready to serve. And that is how I make my bacon-wrapped dates with uncured apple-smoked Iberico bacon. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this little nugget of awesomeness here. So here we go. Smells amazing. Oh. So good. The Iberico is amazing. You get the sweetness of the dates. You get a little bit of that goat cheese at the end. This is so easy to make, but it's really delicious. It's a perfect tapas for your next party. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.